Michael Vaughan wants the Ashes to be postponed for this particular reason. What is that? Well, I'm going to be telling you. Uske baad, Shahnawaz reacts to Sara Taylor's rumored marriage proposal. What has he said? Well, he has a funny answer to it, so I'm going to be telling you that in today's episode. और सबसे अंत में Shikhar Dhawan and Yuzvendra Chahal have moved up the ladder in terms of the ICC T20I player rankings. What are the current rankings and what are those details? I'll give you all of that in today's episode of News Tracker. Hello everybody. I hope you're doing well and keeping safe. My name is Nivedna Prabhu, but before I begin this video, if you haven't liked, shared and subscribed to Cricket Trackers yet, I don't see a reason why you should be waiting, so hit that button quickly. And without wasting time, let's begin today's video to find out what's making news in the world of cricket. The upcoming Ashes 2020-21 season is under threat because many prominent players might pull out of this. Now, one has to remember that the Ashes is slated around the December-January period in Australia, of course, which means that many England players might look to pull out of this series. Now, one reason for that is because during this calendar period, of course, it means that Christmas and New Year is around that corner, which of course means that players might want to actually spend time with their family, and which of course will mean that many players might remain unavailable for this series. But now, reacting on that particular matter, if these players do pull out, which will have of course an impact on the quality of the series, is former England captain Michael Vaughan, who had a couple of things to say. For starters, he feels that it should be postponed if many prominent players do not take part. But what else does he have to say? Let's find out. Now, Vaughan said, if this situation is not sorted out quickly and the England players allowed to be joined in Australia by their families, then the Ashes have to be delayed by a year. If not, it would be a farcical series against an under-strength England team. The Ashes must be the best against the best. Now, of course, he's talking about the fact that if these two teams were to compete, it has to be with all the prominent players as well. Otherwise, of course, the kind of quality of cricket, in his opinion, is not going to be great for the kind of series that the Ashes really has set a benchmark for. But what do you all think about one statement, and do you think at the end of the day, if these England players do decide to kind of sit out on this one, it's going to have a bigger effect, like how of course Vaughan feels in terms of the quality of cricket? Give me your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, rumors about a cricketer's love life is not a new thing. We always keep hearing of it, and of course sometimes most of these rumors turn out to be true sooner or later. But in this case, of course, many rumors have been doing the rounds for this Pakistan player, not in terms of his cricket but his love life, or rumored love life rather. Now, former England women's captain Sara Taylor did talk about the fact that she apparently wanted to marry Pakistan player Shahnawaz Dahani, and he has actually spoken about it, or rather reacted on this particular rumored marriage proposal, and he was quite doing it hilariously by reacting to the same. What did he say? Well, let's find out. Now, on being asked whether Taylor will really propose to him, he said, "The world is one hope." Although jokingly, Dahani also said that he would give his acceptance if Taylor proposes to him. How do you all view this? Of course, he's being cheeky with his comment. Also, one has to wait and watch what Taylor has to say. But what do you think of this potential rumored couple? Let us know in the comment section below. India and Sri Lanka are battling it out in Colombo. On one hand, of course, India won that ODI series 2-1, and on the other hand, in that 3-match T20I series, the first one has been won by India. But if there are two cricketers who can be super happy, on one hand is of course the second string team is being led by Shikhar Dhawan, is one cricketer. The other one is Yuzvendra Chahal, and they have many reasons to be happy. Well, what am I referring to? Well, the fact is both these players have moved up in terms of their rankings for the ICC T20I player rankings. So let's quickly find out where they stand currently with their rankings. Now, Indian leg spinner Yuzvendra Chahal has moved up 10 places to 21st. Dhawan has gained 5 slots after contributing a 36-ball 46 in the 38-run victory, and is now joined 29th along with South Africa opener Reza Hendricks, who moved up 3 places, scoring 69 runs in the last match of the series, won 3-0 by them. Now, of course, this is exciting news coming in for both these players, but most importantly, you all tell me, what do you think is going to happen in this T20I series? Is it going to be 3-0 for India, or do you think it's going to be some kind of other magic from Sri Lanka? And most importantly, which players are you watching out for in the T20I series? Let me know in the comment section below. Well, that's all I have for you in this edition of the News Tracker. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. Follow all our social media channels, including our Telegram channel, because over there we have some amazing fantasy tips for your fantasy team. So if you like making your fantasy teams, you know where to head now. We also have some amazing match-winning combos, so you wouldn't want to miss it. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. I'll be seeing you very soon. But until I see you next time, do not forget to hit that subscribe button so that every time we come back with a new video, you are notified immediately. And until I see you next time, like I always say, take care of yourselves and be safe. Bye-bye.